Rolls-Royce unveils Project Nightingale. A new era of bespoke electric luxury, Rolls-Royce has officially entered a new chapter of ultra-luxury manufacturing with the debut of Project Nightingale. As the inaugural model in the brand's newly formed coach-build collection, this vehicle represents a strategic shift in how the automaker handles its most demanding clients. While Rolls-Royce is famous for its one-of-one bespoke commissions, the demand for such extreme customization has become so high that the company created a dedicated division to manage it. The Coach Build collection offers a middle ground. It provides the unparalleled exclusivity of a custom build, but is produced in much smaller, limited runs, in this case, just 100 units worldwide. Art Deco design meets modern electrification. Project Nightingale is a striking departure from contemporary automotive design, drawing heavy inspiration from the streamlined modern movement of the 1920s and 30s. This era of Art Deco emphasized aerodynamic curves and sleek, continuous lines, a philosophy that is clearly visible in the Nightingale silhouette. Despite its vintage aesthetic, the vehicle is firmly rooted in the future. Built on the same platform as the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the Nightingale is a fully electric two-seater. Key exterior features: uninterrupted bodywork. Because the car is electric, it lacks the traditional air intakes found on combustion engines. This allows for a seamless body surface that flows uninterrupted from the massive, 3-foot-wide Pantheon grille. Unique lighting. The model features ultra-slim, vertically oriented headlights. Rolls-Royce has noted that these assemblies are so complex, they cannot be replicated on mass production models. Massive stance. The car measures 18.9 feet in length, comparable to the flagship Phantom, and sits on 24-inch wheels, the largest ever used by the manufacturer. Nostalgic color palette. The exterior is finished in a pale, solid blue infused with subtle red flakes, a direct homage to the brand's experimental prototypes from a century ago. A bespoke interior experience. The interior of Project Nightingale is designed to wrap around its two occupants in a cocoon of luxury. Since the vehicle is a drop-top convertible, the brand had to rethink its iconic Starlight headliner. Instead of a ceiling of lights, Rolls-Royce has introduced the Starlight Breeze Suite. This feature utilizes 10,500 individual stars that sweep from the door panels around the seats in a horseshoe shape, creating an immersive celestial environment for the driver and passenger. The cabin features a sophisticated color scheme of Charles blue leather, accented by grace white and deep navy, complemented by a light silver retractable soft top. Market context. The business of exclusivity, the release of Project Nightingale highlights a growing trend in the ultra-luxury segment. The move toward limited edition bespoke. By producing 100 units rather than just one, Rolls-Royce can satisfy a larger pool of high-net-worth individuals while maintaining a level of scarcity that protects the vehicle's value. While an exact price tag has not been released, industry expectations suggest the cost will exceed $1 million. Given the immediate demand, most of the 100 available units are reportedly already spoken for. Project Nightingale serves as a bridge between the heritage of Art Deco design and the silent power of the electric era, marking a significant evolution in Rolls-Royce's ability to scale exclusivity. In summary, Project Nightingale is more than just a new model. It is the launchpad for a new business model that allows Rolls-Royce to deliver highly customized, limited-run electric vehicles to an increasingly hungry luxury market.